They're going to Giddy table.
Yep.
Cool.
Optic retail box, break number 2 on, what month is it? June 3rd. Appreciate you guys. Good luck. Alright. Put this over there.
Yep.
Nice. Good luck, boys.
Let's go.
I didn't go over the team, sorry. Brian with the Vikings, Titans, Cardcore with the Falcons, Browns, Chargers, Seahawks, Clay with the Colts, Raiders, Jason with the Packers, JB with the Eagles, John with the Buccaneers, Med with the Lions, Jags, Saints, Polk with the Cardinals, Ravens, Panthers, Texans, Dolphins, Jets, Commanders, Ty with the Bills, Bears, Bengals, Cowboys, Broncos, Chiefs, Rams, Patriots, Giants, Steelers, Niners. Luck. Think we're gonna hit it downtown here?
Let's hope so. Let's hope so.
Gotta have high hopes.
Yes, sir.
Shaheem Bell, not the best start I've ever seen. It's all good though. We thrive. Joe Walt.
Pulled alt out of the second pack last time, too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pulled a Joe Walt gold vinyl and Optic. What,
Sweet.
yesterday? Caleb
Morning?
did. Nah. I think it was Caleb. I don't know if it was yesterday. Might have been the day before. Gold vinyl 101 though. That was pretty sick. You could top of that. Marv, nice. OBJ, speak of the devil. Top of that. Giants OBJ.
The Giants.
Still.
That's sick. For stars.
Birdie. Take.
What up, Armand?
How you doing, big dog? Happy Tuesday to you, brother. Niner back to back.
Oh, wrong Cardinal.
Trey Benson. Go Cardinals. Not ideal, but, you know, at least it's not tip rhyming.
Yep. Pulled a Benson auto last night out of Clearly. Silver ink.
On the 20 boxer, Jacob Cowing. Who's got the Niners? Let me see. Yeah, that's Utah. Alright, Armand. So, the Optic H2, brother. Right here, 20 bucks. The big 3 things you're going to be looking for is uptowns, downtowns, dual downtowns. There's going to be red mojos. A ton of red mojos, numbered or non-numbered. Red mojos are nice, though. And you can hit blue mojos numbered to 5. I think we've seen like 2 of those per case. So if you hit nice on those players, on the right players, you hit nice. There are some autos not guaranteed though. No guaranteed autos. Geno Smith and a Dallas Turner. Any team you're looking at specifically, bro? Got a hollow here. Jacob Cohen, another 49er.
Niner box.
Falcons and maybe Bucks. You can topple that one. Cool. Shoot me over an offer if you want, brother. I'll see if I could. I don't have a ton of room, but if you want to shoot me over an offer, feel free.
We had a hollow and a stars cow.
Nate Wiggins. Yeah, Cowan's popping. Tip Ryman.
Speak of the devil.
Yeah. Tip Ryman. Sounds good, brother. Let me know. Grady Jarrett, top of that. $20 case, yes sir.
Said top load.
Yep. There's a Keon Coleman on the primary colors. Top of that.
Yep.
Come on, downtown. Jake Ferguson on the stars. Top of that. Just Roman Wilson.
Damn. Thought that was gold.
Last pack, come on. Wish it was gold.
Top load.
Yeah, sure. Another rough box. It's nice stars, at least, but I guess my hands are just cold today. These are usually pretty nice.
No newbie luck. With me in the house. Not yet, at least.
Not yet. For sure. If you hit nice on the, if you hit the right players on the stars, they're definitely real nice. Jacob Cowing and Trey Benson ain't gonna cut it though. 100 emojis are dope.